Hi guys, I'm back with a hotel room tour. I'm staying at the Anaheim Majestic Garden Inn. This is an off-property resort, but it does have a shuttle that is only for this hotel, and it's free to take the transportation from here to the parks and back. Give us this purple wristband. And parking here I believe is 25 a night, so not bad. But yeah, we're in a standard room. It has two queen beds. I'm standing right by the door right now, and this backdrop's pretty. This hotel seems like it has a royalty vibe, royalty theme. There's a princess name. Her name is Corinne, and you could write her a letter. That's really cute for kids to do and put it in a little mailbox. I'll show the lobby later on, but yeah, I just got checked in, so let me give you a room tour. Okay, so when you first enter, there's this really nice seating area, which I haven't seen in hotels ever, unless it's like an embassy, but it has a little bench here, which is a great place to put luggage. These lights are really bright. There's a really pretty mirror. Here's me in my Lotso outfit still. And then we have the closet, have an iron, an ironing board, and then there's two luggage stands, that's great. Pretty spacious closet. There is a safe on the other side. Here's that. And then here's the restroom. It's compact, but also a good size, I think. I like that it has this magnifying mirror. Let's flip it around and see how scary I look. Woohoo! If any of you are wondering what camera I'm using, it's the Insta360 4, I believe. X4. Yeah. Anyways, back to the tour here. We have these pretty overhang lights, light fixtures. Has some pretty patterns on the wallpaper. We have plenty of towels, toilet paper. Here's the toilet, and then the shower. Get royally clean. There's conditioner, shampoo, body wash. There's the tub. And yeah. Okay, bathroom. I like the bathroom. I think it's got plenty of space. They maybe could have fit a second sink here, but probably not necessary. It says Forget Me Not. By royal decree, the California Deli and Gift Shop has items for purchase such as toothbrushes, toothpaste, shampoo, razors, hairbrush, combs, snacks, beverages, deodorants, over-the-counter medicines, personal products, and more. Great to know. Thank you. Oh, and a hair dryer. But I brought my own hair tools. Okay. Alright, so here's another mirror. This one's floor length for my outfit photos I'm gonna post for tomorrow morning. There's me again. Okay, so here's the room. It's quite large, actually. I think I got the two queen beds just because I think it was a better price, and I figured like I could use one to nap in and not worry about it getting dirty, and then the other, my fiance and I will be sleeping in that one. Or if he snores too loud, I can get away from him. I really like the headboards and these curtains. That's really cool. Adds to the royalty look and feel of the space. Here's a beautiful horse painting. We've got the air conditioning, which is set to 65 degrees. I think it's about 75 here in Anaheim today. Okay, we have the TV. And we've got 3 cabinets that had the ice bucket in it. This one has some drawers. I don't normally use the drawers, but if you're staying for a while, it might be a good thing to put your clothing in. I normally just hang stuff. And then this one has a fridge which we brought a case of water, so we're gonna put them in here. We've got a little coffee tea station here. I've heard that it's best to not use these, but I mean, it looks clean enough, but just use it at your own risk, I guess. Has a table and 2 chairs. Oh, here, let's open this and see what our view is. I don't know if you could see. This resort's pretty big. Had a really cute koi pond, which I would like to show later. There's this nice Mickey comic. I like that. And the 7 dwarves also have their heads together. We've got a set Bobbin Free. What is this? Is that Snow White? That's a really old looking comic. I don't know what it's from. Something about a servant girl and King Michael. Okay. Interesting. Got a chair here. And yeah, the beds. Here's the headboard up close. ASMR. Okay, and then lastly, the nightstand has plenty of outlets, which is wonderful. Alarm clock, another drawer with a Bible. Did anyone leave us cash? Just kidding. Okay. Yeah. That is the room. I think it's great. We just got in. I'm gonna change. I'm back in my hotel room now, taking a little rest break. Just wanted to talk about the hotel stay so far. And it's my 2nd day here. It's been really great. This hotel is fantastic. The bus system is so consistent and reliable. And all the amenities here are really great. The water pressure in the shower was good. Everything's really clean and well maintained. They give you plenty of towels in the bathroom. We didn't have room service come because we're here not too long, but yeah, the beds were really comfortable. It was, yeah, a very comfortable night's rest last night. And trying to think what else I didn't talk about yet, but they have an arcade here. You have to, there's like a station where you can pay to get the credits. I think it's like a game card. So like a standard game card that you tap and you play games. They had all kinds of nice games in there, like Terminator, Salvation, Jurassic Park. They had a Galaga machine, like air hockey, billiards, and then there was a coffee shop across from that, and like a little cafe. And then they also have a 5-star Japanese restaurant, like a sushi restaurant on site. I think they said the hours were 5 to 10 p.m. Yeah, there's plenty of parking here. It's in a really nice area, and yeah, everything, all the outdoor elements are really pretty. The rooms are big. This room is huge. It's a standard and it's so big. But yeah, I mean, I think it's great. I would highly recommend staying here for your next trip. It's a great place to stay multiple nights. It's really affordable. They're all so kind and friendly here at the front desk, and there's really fun activities for the kiddos. There's like a little story time reading with Princess Corinne. There's like a throne where she sits and reads to the kids. There was like a kids corner with a TV with Bluey playing. They had like nice Disney things on display around the lobby. There's a pool. I haven't been over to the pool, probably won't be going in, but it looked nice from what I saw. Yeah, that's really about it for now. Hi guys, it's about 2 weeks later from the time I recorded that room tour and had my stay at the Anaheim Majestic. I wanted to jump on and kind of give a review about my stay and my experience there. I didn't get an opportunity to record that when I was there, so wanted to start out by saying I had a wonderful stay. Everything was amazing. I don't really have any complaints, truly. Very budget friendly, very close to the parks. They have their own shuttle service. It is complimentary. They do give you a wristband when you check in. You get a purple wristband. If you lose it, you do need to pay $15 to replace it, so definitely don't lose that wristband. The driver will check it when you get on and off the bus. They have a whole like shuttle schedule that you have to kind of keep in mind when they pick up and when they drop you off. So that was really convenient. I really liked the convenience of having that so available. We'll talk about the cleanliness of the rooms and the comfortability. I had a standard room with 2 queen beds. Price breakdown on that came out to be, I think, $203 for the first night, and the second night was about $234, and that was because I was staying a Thursday through Saturday, and so the Friday night, of course, was a little more, but super affordable. Parking, I think, was $25 a day, not bad at all. You could shuttle to the park and back. But anyways, coming back to the comfortability and cleanliness, the rooms were super clean. The water pressure in the shower was really good. That is something I consider to be quite important in a room. The beds were so clean. Everything was clean. There were no stains. The decor was beautiful in the room. The view was nice. It was huge. It was so spacious. We had so much room to put our stuff and to I'll talk about some of like the amenities and things to do on site. So there was an arcade. That was a unique thing. I don't normally see arcades in hotels. That was cool. So they had an arcade. They have like a little deli market, coffee shop, and like souvenir shop, which was really cool. That was across from the arcade. They also have a 5-star Japanese sushi restaurant on site, and I wish I had gotten a chance to eat there, as I heard great things, but didn't get to eat there. That was a nice feature. They had like another breakfast or like restaurant where you could order breakfast and lunch and so forth. That was like a sit down. There was a really nice lounge bar, patio. They have a gorgeous courtyard. They do weddings there. They have this beautiful gazebo. I'll put a picture on here to show you that, where they host the weddings. It's just so scenic and beautiful and calming and like, yeah, regal looking outside. They all have a beautiful koi pond and like duck area where they have like a duck slide and these really nice koi fish. That was really cute, and a cute bridge. That would be a great photo area too. Of course, they have a full pool and spa, and inside of the lobby, I really loved this. They had like a little reading area for kids, and the princess's name is Princess Corinne. That's like the theming inside, is you can mail letters to this princess, and she comes into the hotel and she reads books to kids in the lobby. That was really adorable. To try and keep this short and not super long, I'm gonna give you my overall rating of the hotel and experience, and I would give it an overall 4.5 out of 5. It was excellent. I wouldn't say everything was perfect. There were a couple things that maybe docked that down. Just like finding the room was really complicated in my opinion. And then like not getting an arcade credit. I think they should give that to people who are staying there. The games weren't cheap to play, so that would have been nice. And it would have been even better if they had free parking on site. But yeah, with everything else considered, this is a wonderful hotel, and I would highly recommend for your next stay at Disney. All right, thanks for listening, guys. See ya.